Hello and welcome to this concept video for you today, guys. Today I'm showing off what I've been working on recently, and that is my magic tree add-on. Now this is heavily inspired by the hopping bonsai pots in the Java edition of Minecraft, and I've tried to implement it into Bedrock edition, and I think I've done a pretty good job, to be fair. I'm not blowing my trumpet here, but this is basically what you get. There's only one spawn egg. If I go like this, and oops, I had to get a wandering trader, so there we go. If I just type in, for example, spawn here, and this is the only new spawn egg, as you can see. But yes, when I place this down, it's actually gonna start growing a baby little tree, as you can see, without any leaves. Now, when this hits after 16 seconds, it hits full growth. It'll become a lovely looking tree. And once it does, here we go, it dies. Okay. I might need to change a few of the textures because they seem a bit bright. But other than that, I think it looks pretty cool, to be fair. I would like a little bit of an animation of that like tree kind of actually growing as well. So again, I need to kind of do that. Hence why I'm not giving out the download right now. And as you can see, when it regrows, a couple of particles do just come out just to kind of indicate that process happening or whatever. So I'll let this one grow again so you can see there's 16 different variants, okay? And that ranges from, as you just saw there, string, diamonds, minerals, coal, glass. There's a glass one as well. But yes, I think this is pretty cool. And if I don't want this here, I can just punch it and kill it. And I get back a heart of the magic tree. So let me just show you this. So that's what it is. Heart of the magic tree. So if you haven't guessed already, this is kind of how you spawn it in. And this is all done with the player animations, which is pretty cool. And as you can see, oh, that's not in the center. Oh! But no, don't worry. When that actually dies, it will spawn another one. And it always 100% goes in the center, which is fantastic. Look. Hello, it's back there. I think this has turned out really well, and I'm so happy with it. And I really hope that you guys are too. So I want to show you how you can actually obtain these kind of things. So you can probably notice I've got a wandering trader here. I've just chucked in a heart of the magic tree as a trade there for 8 diamonds. Obviously, that's quite pricey, but I wanted to get this to be fair because you can get diamonds from these trees, but they're super rare. Honestly, I've written down, as you can see here, so many different percentages and weight values to make sure this is not too OP for survival mode. But as you can see, yeah, 8 diamonds gives you 1 tree, basically. But there is obviously other ways of getting Heart of the Seas, but we call them the magic trees. Obviously, with buried treasure maps as well. So you could obviously, that kind of encourages you to go out and find treasure ships as well, which is pretty cool. Now, these actual trees themselves, let me just go in here and get some diamonds and trade up with our good friend, Mr. Wandering Trader here. Now, you can notice I've actually got 9 here. Now, it doesn't really matter. If I go into game mode... Well, I'm in capitals here. Game mode S. And I've obviously got 9 on me. It doesn't really matter. I can just do this. 1 there. 1 there. 1 there. 1 there. do you kind of get my gist here? Either way, it will still work. It doesn't matter if you stack them. Okay? So always remove them. And I got a lapis one there. A lapis one again. Stone one. A mixed variant. So that will give different saplings and stuff. A normal one. A gold one. A bone one. And a normal one. But normal ones are very common. Normal means basically just oak. And again, if I don't want these here, I can literally just break them. So I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you. Oops. They have got a very tiny hitbox to try and reduce down the actual size of the shadow, because I don't really want a shadow because I don't really want you to look like entities as such. But as you can see, I've got all 9 of these back. Now, these do actually work with hoppers as well, which is cool. And you can obviously use carpet if you really want to, and even slabs. And I'm just kind of showing this off to you here like this. Again, it doesn't really matter if they're not 100% in the center, because when the next tree will spawn, it will actually go in the center. And as you can see, there's nothing in here. And now we have a stick, oak logs, another oak log, and some string. Obviously, like I say, I need to tweak the kind of drops just to make sure. Sorry, I got an itchy eye there. Just to kind of make sure that they are correct and not too OP, if you know what I mean. But I think this is brilliant, honestly. I think this has worked really, really well. Oh, do you see the glass one? And I'm pretty proud of it. I just like to say, like I say, I would like to get an animation on the go, really. It would be nice to get a particle when they actually, like, grow. Do you understand what I mean as well? But stay tuned, guys. I should have this out next week sometime if you're really interested. Obviously, you know what to do. Smash the like button and all that kind of stuff if this is what you kind of like to see. And yes, that is pretty much it. So thanks very much for watching. I'm DanRobzProbz, and that is the magic add-on, magic tree add-on. I don't really know if that's a good word for it yet, but it's more like the bonsai pots. But you kind of get my gist. Anyway, thanks very much. Bye.